In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted messages on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this, but all you want to do is go over to your messages application. You're going to see all your messages. Now, on the top right, click on those three little lines. Then you're going to see recently deleted as one of the options. Then you can recover any of the deleted messages that you have. However, if they're not showing up here, or maybe it's past the 30 days and you want to recover them, it's still possible. So all you want to do is go over to your settings application, click on your name on the very top, and then from here, you want to go to iCloud, which is under subscriptions. And once you click on that, you're going to see a lot of things, but you want to go to saved to iCloud. Now, once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do is go to messages in iCloud, which is right under notes. And then where it says use on this iPhone, you want to go ahead and enable it. So now anytime you delete messages, and even if they're in recently deleted and they've been erased completely, they're still going to be in your iCloud messages. So now you can just go over to your browser of choice, log into your iCloud and see all your messages that might have been deleted. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.